Subscribe to Simplified Biology channel and press the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Hello friends, welcome to Simplified Biology. We'll continue with biodiversity. Today's topic is how many species are there on Earth and in India. How many species are there on Earth and in India? Now, according to IUCN, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature, 2004, the total number of plants and animal species that have been described are slightly more than 1.5 million. Now, the total number of plant and species that have been described. So, it is not yet clear how many are still to be discovered and described. Species inventories. They include all species that have been discovered and described. Now, these species inventories are more complete in case of the temperate zone, while they are not yet complete in case of the tropical zone. Means most of the species diversity present in the temperate zone is known. It has been discovered and described, while those present in the tropical zone are yet to be discovered. And the most widely studied group is that of insects. Now, the statistical comparison has been made of the temperate zone and the tropical zone in the case of insects. And this is used to conclude the ratio in the other groups of plants and animals. So that a gross estimate can be obtained of the total number of species present on Earth. Now, a comparison of species richness of insects, that is the number of species of insects present in the temperate and the tropical region. This ratio has been used to conclude the ratio of other groups present of plants and animals, so that the total number of species present on the Earth can be estimated. Now, the extreme estimates for the total number of species on the Earth range from 20 to 50 million. But a scientifically sound estimate given by Robert May shows that the global species diversity is at about 7 million. And the currently available species inventories show that more than 70% are animals and plants are just 22%. Now these 22% of plants comprises algae, fungi, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Insects are more species rich, or the species richness of insect is about 70% in that of the total animals. Total number of fungi species is more than the sum total of number of fishes, amphibians, reptiles and mammal species. Now all these exclude the prokaryotes. Means there are no figures for the prokaryotes. Now the conventional method used is not suitable to identify microbial species. And many of them cannot be cultured under the lab conditions. Now the animal diversity can be divided into two types, invertebrates and vertebrates. In the invertebrates, the most species rich first are the insects, after which come the other animal groups excluding the molluscans and the crustaceans. Next are the molluscans and finally the crustaceans. Means the most species rich are the insects, mollusks and the crustaceans. While in vertebrates, the species richness is most in case of fishes, then birds, reptiles, amphibians, and finally the mammals. In plants, species richness is most seen in fungi, which is followed by the angiosperms, algae, mosses, ferns, and its allies and lichens. So fungi, angiosperm, algae, mosses, ferns and lichens. This is the order. Well, in this case it is fishes, birds, reptile, amphibians and mammals. Now species diversity in India. India is one of the 12 mega diversity country of the world and has just 2.44% of the world's land area. In this 2.4% of the land area, it has an about 8.1% of global species diversity. In this, about 45,000 are plant species and twice this number, that is 90,000, are the animal species. Now, according to May's global estimate, that is only 22% of the total species have been discovered or described, which means in India, still 1 lakh plant species and 3 lakhs animal species are yet to be discovered. Now, discovering all species present on Earth is completely impossible. As there are large number of species that are threatened to become extinct, which means they would disappear before they are discovered. That's all for today. Please do like, subscribe and comment, and also visit our website by clicking on the link given below. Thank you for watching.